Well, hello there. You already know what time it is, and it's time to take this off again. I'm honestly so happy with how this turned out, especially how the mouth moves. Like, my sister refuses to play with me while I have scary makeup on, so we gotta take it off. I'm gonna get the hair out of my face first. Alright. I don't even see where the edges are, like, I think I found one. Okay, big breath. Never mind. Let's do this. That made my eyes water. Now the eyebrows. Okay. Oh no. Okay, this eyebrow is still on. That's good. Let's hope this eyebrow is on too. Oh, thank God. I love painting on clothes, but it just takes so long to take off. This is always the sad part. Your daily dose of nightmare fuel. As if the original look wasn't scary enough. I took a shower, and you guys have an amazing day. Guess what time it is, guys? It's time to take this off again. I'm gonna take this contact lens off because I can't see anything with that one eye, so I'll be right back. Okay, it's off, and I smeared this part, but I don't care, because, yeah. No, this isn't my best look, but, you know, I had fun with it. Oh God, that looks so weird. Come out! Okay, the teeth are not coming out individually. That would be really cool. So I'm gonna take this whole thing, as a whole piece, so have fun watching that. Lovely. I'll be right back because I'm gonna take this whole thing off. Look at that, it belongs in the trash. Good day, everyone. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out. So, like, if any zombie movies need, like, a zombie, y'all know who to call. I, like, do want to take it off, but I also kind of don't. Oh, I hate wax so much. Ah! Alright, no, there's latex somewhere in there. There we go. Nice. I'm sorry. This is my new look. Going to work like this tomorrow. Get ready. Just kidding. I would get fired. Whoop. This should be nice. Never mind. Alright, there's a big piece right here. This is literally why I hate wax. It just does not come off. I will also be posting a tutorial on this look on my YouTube at some point. So check that out if you want. No pressure. Hi. I don't want to take my makeup off again. I look so good. I look so good. I don't want to take this off. I just want to stay a really cool goddess for the rest of my life. And can I get these, like, what if I use super glue? No, that's a bad idea. So I went to go change, and then I got really sad, and I ended up eating, and now my lipstick's off, but I guess that's a good first step. All the blood in this thing has dried by now. Ah. Well, there's no going back now. Not the glitters. Once again, no physical pain, just emotional. And you guys, have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You guessed it, it is time to take this off again. This took way longer than I expected, and I kind of don't want to take it off, but I have to. I think I start here. Oh my God, I didn't know it was all one piece now. I usually throw the prosthetics out after I use them, but this is kind of cute. I'ma save it. Now I gotta take the rest of this off. This is nightmare fuel right here. Alright, I'm pretty much done, but I ran out of contact solution, and I don't know whether I should go to Target like this or leave my contacts dry for 15 minutes. Help. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the Lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. It feels so nice to see. Now, I've done a lot of things for my makeup looks, but I can definitely say I never had to glue popcorn to my face before. I guess there's a first time for everything, huh? Let's start taking these off. I'll start with the small ones. Oh, it broke. That was so much bigger than I expected. Ah! Now the big boy. Oh, am I beautiful? I really hope my eye is not stained. Oh god. I think I'm good. I took it all off. Yeah. And you guys have an amazing day. Oh well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I'm a creeper. Watch out, I'm about to explode. Just kidding. But you already know what time it is. Let's take this off again. So all of this is connected. I'm gonna have to do this in one go. Okay. Okay, I got this. These lines are kind of sharp though. Also, I guess it wasn't connected. Let's do the other pieces then. Guess fast is the way to go. Yeah, never mind. Slow. Almost there. That was nice. Now it's just the easy part left. All clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. I don't know why I always film videos in the middle of the night, but everyone in my house is asleep, so I need to be quiet. I'm not very good at being quiet. I also can't see what I'm doing. Where's the edge? Ah, yes, there it is. I feel no pain. Now this side. The hard part is done. Now we just gotta take the lashes off. And now the rest of this beauty has got to go. As I was taking this off, I realized there's still latex on my chin. How did I not notice it earlier? But no, there's more. I think that was the last part. Is my makeup off? I can't see. Someone help. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, it's time to take this off again. Also, I am Groot. I can't breathe, and I also can't feel my face. So, needless to say, I am very excited. The mouthpiece is already falling off because I've been talking a lot, but let's just... Nice. Now it's time to take this off, and oh my god, I am so excited to breathe again. Whoop. Oh, no. There's a lot of clay on my face. Oh, thank god. I can use my nose. Be gone, Groot. I feel nothing. Nothing. And once again, this is way scarier than the original look. Cool thing about covering your whole face with clay is that there's really not that much makeup to take off after. Contacts. And just like that, I am now clean. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. Let's start with the hook. Well, that was easy. Psych, there's way more than that. That was nice. I literally glued these things on with tape. Yeah. I literally drew them on blue paper as well. Snatch the weave. I am in love with these lashes, but they gotta go. Boop. Take the contacts out too. And now I'm gonna go wash my face. And that is all. Have an amazing day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, you guessed it. It is time to take this off again. This is the finale to my series of makeup inspired by popular brands, and this was Gucci. I'm definitely happy with how it turned out, but it's gotta go. If I pull here, the whole thing's just gonna... Oh, never mind. I am so excited to see again. I just gotta find an edge. Wait, I think I got one. Oh, it's so bright. Oh, ah. And once again, there's blood in my teeth. One single lash. I took a shower and I'm clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out, and I'm a little bit sad to be taking this off, but I am overheating and it needs to go. Let's start with the neck. Yeah. The latex stayed on my neck, that didn't help. I love how this looks like bone, but it's really, like, super squishy. Okay, now we gotta take this off. One big motion. I thought it was gonna rip the whole thing off, but no. Oh no. Okay, is my eyebrow still on? It looks like it. Ah, nice. Now these step for the feathers. I can't talk. I really hope. Oh, my hair is fine. Whenever I put latex this close to my hairline, it's always a risk. Ah. Where did this come from? Okay, she's in my eyebrow.
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldy, 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 Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldy, 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 Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldy, 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 Voldemort.
They're pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Yeah, it just rips the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. I did not say that right. I hope my pain is amusing to you. There we go, Valeria. Second time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This look was based on The Little Mermaid and if she, from pollution, yeah. Starting by taking off the contact. We gotta snatch the weave. I'm getting crazier and crazier every day. And now for the fun part. So, for no reason whatsoever, I just glued the seashell right here, just because I found it in my stuff. And we just gotta... Okay, that wasn't too bad. All of this on my face is also liquid latex. Let's take it off. Oh, okay. Let's take all of it off, not just a little piece of it, Valeria, come on. Okay, take two. Okay, that's better. There's still liquid latex on my neck. Okay, this one's gonna hurt. 3, 2, 1. No. Okay, quick. Almost done. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I'm Baby Yoda. But I won't be Baby Yoda anymore. And just like that, I am now human. I won't lie to you guys, I am overheating. That's better. I'm sorry, Mom, but I got your bed sheets dirty. I hope this doesn't stain. Shall we take the ears off? I won't lie to you guys, I spent a little too long painting these. Okay, just one more? No, I can do this, that's fine. I don't know why I always choose to put liquid latex so close to my hair. But now we just gotta take off this pretty face. Nightmare fuel. Green paint doesn't stain skin, right? Alright, I took a shower and I think we're in the clear. Comment which movie character you want to see me turn myself into next. I could not say that correctly, but you know what I mean. And of course, the most important thing, don't forget to have an amazing day. Hey there, you little freaks. Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Yeah. I can finally talk and I can drink some water and I am so happy and I've never been this happy before. So cute. I really hope I don't break out tomorrow because damn, that was a lot of latex on my face. While I had that on, 3 people managed to call me and I was not able to pick up the phone because I wasn't able to talk. You little freaks, guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Also, sorry, I have to be quiet again because I always wait till everyone's asleep to film. I'm not afraid of anything anymore. Silent screaming helps. Also, I have a little problem. I did my nails the other day and I have no idea how to take my contacts out with nails. I feel like I'm gonna poke my eye out. Wish me luck. Okay, well, I mean, I got one and my eye is still there, so let's try that again. You guys, it's stuck and I can't take it out. I don't know what to do. Okay, I just had a mini heart attack, but I got it out. And of course, here's your favorite nightmare fuel. I took a shower and I'm all clean now.